Oh my gosh. Gulu, 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 gulu. Wow, that's wonderful. It's morning time. It's a waiting morning. It's like bhorer shishir. It's very rare. It's only the morning time. You need to go to a greeny place. Like me, I am walking, see, all the way, everywhere. Bhorer shishir is so phenomenon. Nature bathing is more than 10 times actual bathing, shower or sanan. And it's so clean because this place has been maintained very, very sensitively because of see the place is very peaceful place. And morning sun, see, oh my gosh, is different than riverside. So powerful place here. See the morning sun through tree. This is another alternative medication. Those who cannot look at sun directly because of the sun rays is so powerful, they can enjoy the sun ray through the tree, especially in the morning time, is so smooth and so nice. So when you go to Mother Nature, walk slowly. And this is Shin Erin Uku, nature bathing. So do it, it's so phenomenal.